Hello students, here in this video we will study about the marketing management. Here there is one definition given by Philip Kotler. Marketing management is the analysis, planning, implementation and control of programs designed to create, build, maintain mutually beneficial exchanges and relationship with target markets for the purpose of achieving organizational objectives. And one more definition is that according to the American Marketing Association, marketing management is a process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion and distribution of ideas, goods and services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational objectives. From these definitions, it is clear that marketing management is a analysis, planning, organizing, directing and controlling all the activities relating to the marketing of goods to satisfy customers' wants and to maximize profits for the enterprise. And also we can say that it is the analysis or planning or implementation and control of activities and programs designed to create, build and maintain beneficial exchanges within target buyers for the purpose of achieving organizational objectives. So in short, we can say that marketing management is a marketing concept in action or the management of marketing activities so as to satisfy the needs and wants of consumers and maximize the profits through maximum sales for the enterprise. So, in modern marketing or in marketing management, first the needs and wants of the consumers are ascertained. First, we have to identify the needs and wants of the customers. Then, goods are produced according to the needs and wants of consumers. Then, marketing program is prepared in which decisions are taken regarding product, brand, packaging, price, advertisement, sales promotion, channels of distribution and after sale services. Then on the basis of marketing program, all the activities of marketing are coordinated or motivated or controlled. So this is about the marketing management. So marketing management means it is a concept or it is a, we can say that it is an analysis or planning or organizing or directing or controlling all the activities relating to the marketing of goods to satisfy the customer wants and also maximize the profits of the enterprise. Let's move on the next slide. Nature and features or characteristics of marketing management. First one, marketing management is one of the important functional areas of business management. It is one of the functional area of business management which is concerned with the marketing of goods and services. So marketing management it concerned with the marketing of goods as well as services. That's why it is one of the important functional area of business management. Second one, marketing management is a process. It is a process. Why it is a process? Because it means it's a planning or analysis or organizing or directing or controlling all the activities related to marketing of goods to satisfy the customers. That is why it is a marketing management is a process. Third one, it includes all those activities which are necessary to determine and satisfy the needs of consumers effectively and efficiently. So that is, it covers planning, it covers planning, organizing, directing and controlling of all the activities relating to the marketing of goods and services. First, before the production, we should know what is the need and wants of the consumer. According to the wants of the consumer, we are going to produce the products, right? So that means it includes all those activities that are necessary to determine and satisfy. Here in modern marketing, the main object or main motto of the business is to satisfy the customer's needs and wants. Fourth one, marketing management is goal oriented. Why it is goal oriented? Because it aims at satisfying the needs of customer by offering them the goods and services they want. and generating profits for the enterprise. Marketing management is a goal oriented because the main aim of marketing management is to satisfy the needs of the customer by offering them the goods and services actually they want and generate the profit. Next one, as marketing management is concerned with determination and satisfaction of the needs of the consumers, marketing research and product planning seek to determine and satisfy needs of the consumers are integral parts of marketing management. So here marketing management is concerned with determination and satisfaction of the needs of the consumer. The main motto of marketing management is to satisfy the consumer. How they can satisfy the consumer? By making the research, or by doing the research, or product planning, by proper planning for the product, and seek to determine and satisfy the needs of the consumer. So these are the integral part of marketing management. Next one, appropriate marketing mix covering product, price, promotion and place or distribution, popularly known as 4Ps of marketing mix, is one of the important elements of marketing management. So here 4Ps of marketing mix. So we know that product, price, promotion and place, these are the one of the important element of marketing management. To know the consumers wants and needs, to get the desired result, we should follow the consumers wants and needs. Next one, marketing management rests on the notion of exchange, which is the core of marketing activity. So here marketing management rests notion of exchange. Notion of exchange means one party is willing to part with and other party is ready to accept, of course, both against some agreed consideration. So buyers as well as sellers. Here seller, they are selling the product, right, and buyers, they are receiving the product. One party is willing to part with and other party is ready to accept. So marketing management, that's why it's a notion of exchange, which is the core of marketing activity. Marketing management applies marketing concepts not only to goods and services but also to ideas. So here marketing management applies marketing concepts not only to goods, not only for the goods, but it applies also for the ideas. Next concept is objectives of marketing management. What are the objectives of marketing management? First one, determination of customers' need. So basic goals of marketing management are satisfaction of the needs of the customer and generation of profits for the business. So that's why the main objective is satisfy the customer. Other than that, what are the other objectives of marketing management? First one, determination of customers' need. As marketing management is concerned with determination and satisfaction of the customer's needs, and determination or ascertainment of the customer's needs is one of the important objective of marketing management. You know that the main motto of modern marketing is to satisfy the customer, right? So satisfy the needs of the customer or ascertainment of the customer's needs. So that's why it is one of the important objective of marketing management, that is determination of customer's need or meeting the customer's need or fulfilling the customer's need. Second one, creation of demand. Creation of demand for the goods is another important objective of marketing management. It is one of the another important objective, and demand can be created through various means. We can create demand through various ways. Take for example, demand can be created by ascertaining the preference and taste of the customer and producing goods to satisfy the needs of the customer. So if you produce according to the needs and taste of the customer, then the customer or buyer, they buy more. So demand can be created through also advertising or by informing the customers the utility of the product or services offered, what are the services offered to the product. So by this we can create the demand. So marketing, creation of demand is also one of the main object of marketing management. Next one, customer satisfaction. I already said in the last topic, that is marketing, modern marketing, customer satisfaction. The main motto of modern marketing is satisfying the customer's needs. Or satisfaction of the customer's needs is one of the important objective of making management. The needs of the customers can be best satisfied by studying the demands of the customer. So before you're going to manufacture the goods, before that we have to do the research. We have to study the demands of the customer and produce and offer only those goods which the customers demand. It may be noted that selling of goods is not as important as the satisfaction of the needs of the customer. Selling is a not important satisfaction. So after the selling, what are the services we are giving, that is a important, or that is a satisfaction, that gives a satisfaction to the customer. Next one, generation of profits. Generation of sufficient profits for the business is another important objective of marketing management. Earning of profit is necessary for the growth and diversification of the business. You know that every business, their aim is to earn the profit. Without profit, any business cannot exist, right? So for the purpose of growth, or for the purpose of diversification in the sense, diversify. Take for example, if they are producing motorcycle, then diversify. Take for example, they are producing the two-wheeler, then if they get more profits, then they can divert the business into another business. That means they can produce four-wheeler also. So in fact, earning profit is necessary for every survival of the business firm in the market, right? So for the purpose of survival in the market, profit is necessary. So generation of profit is also one of the object of marketing management. Contribution, next one, contribution to national development. Contribution to national development it means marketing management contributes to large scale production, which turn contributes to fuller and visual or utilization of national resources and increase the employment facilities and economic growth while manufacturing the goods. Then at the same time they give, or at the same time in that company the increase employment opportunities will increases, right? So they are utilizing the national resources for the purpose of manufacture, and at the same time they offer the job to the youngsters or to the public, so that economic growth will be there. Next one, raising the standard of living of the people. Raising the standard of the people is another important objective. How this marketing management will raise the standard of the living of the people? So by offering many varieties of goods, by offering jobs, or marketing management aims at raising the standard of the people of the community, right? So they offer a variety of goods for the purpose of consumption to the consumers. So they offer jobs, employment opportunities to the people or public, so that the standard of living of the people increases. Next concept is functions of marketing management. Marketing management calls for integration of marketing related elements. The task of marketing management is to combine these elements in an effective operating system. So combination or mixing of these elements is called effective operating system, and to arrange the system in its interaction with the dynamic environment. Some of the functions of modern marketing management is there. First one, assessing the marketing opportunities. What is that? It involves identification of the company goals and the analysis of establishing new profit opportunities open to the firm. So assessing the marketing opportunities. Assessing the marketing opportunity means identification of company goal. The significance of this function is that market opportunities are changing, and marketing management must develop creative strategies to cultivate these opportunities. So nowadays market opportunities are changing. According to the changing in the marketing opportunities, as a business or as a company, we have to develop a creative strategies to cultivate the opportunities or to get the opportunities. How we can get the opportunities? By a planned program for innovation is essential for marketing effectiveness. We should have a good planning, right? So this is about assessing the marketing opportunities. Second one, planning the marketing activities. Planning is an integral part of marketing management and is a vital element of systems orientation. This function is based on the marketing opportunity, which is key to the successful marketing management and performance. Planning. Before you're going to start any business, we should plan for the company. We should plan for that. So when you plan, when you properly planned for the business, then our desire or results we will get the result, right? So marketing planning is used to develop and define objective, and they derive strategies and design programs that enable the firm to achieve these set aims. Third one, providing effective marketing organization. The innovative and dynamic nature of marketing activity places heavy demands on the marketing organization. So when you give our innovative thing or innovative products to the market, then heavy demands will be there. As marketing is an accepted system, that the role of organization is felt more, role of companies felt more is more. The integration process between the organization and the environment is a focal concern of developing marketing discipline. So application of the newer organization theories, applying the new theories in the marketing field it impacts on the marketing operation. So new product development and growing importance of international marketing. So these are the innovative thinking or innovative activity. Actuating by leadership. So that is by, okay, by. Actuating by leadership. Diverse changes by are influencing the patterns and styles of the leadership required for effective performance of marketing functions. Development of newer patterns of leadership is testing the traditional views of management methods and policies. Development of new patterns of leadership, so which gives traditional views of management methods and policies. So actuating by leadership means, take for example, one organizational problem is raised by the tendency towards centralization of responsibility for integration of total marketing task. So balanced against this centralization tendency is a need for greater participation in management and decision making by people at subordinate levels. So for this, solution needs analysis of management's philosophy or communication pattern or scope of authority and responsibility and leadership activities and staffing policies and practices and placement of an individual in the organization in a given position. Next one, motivating the human side. Marketing involves the functions that are finally identified with the people. So marketing means it involves functions that are finally identified with the people. Free flow of goods will be there only when the people involved in the process of motivated. Take for example, employee motivation is a must in these days for the keen competition. Nowadays competition is more, so to reach or to compete with another company, employee motivation must be there. Next one, evaluating and adjusting marketing efforts. In order to take advantage of profitable marketing opportunities, the marketing manager must continually evaluate and adjust marketing efforts. The firm is to adjust to its ever-changing environment. The firm, as a company, they have to adjust for ever-changing environment. Nowadays, environment are changing. right? To make an effective judgment, or marketing manager must have the knowledge of entire marketing system. So as a manager, you should have the entire marketing, the knowledge of entire marketing system, so that components of the system can be evaluated or controlled or adjusted. So this is about functions of marketing management. Next concept is marketing management process. So marketing management is a process of managing marketing plans. So marketing management means it's a process of managing marketing plans or policies and programs, keeping in view the broad objectives of accomplishing the organization goals and the society's expectations. So marketing management is a process. It is a process. Then here, Philip Kotler defines marketing management process as a process consisting of, first one, analyzing marketing opportunities. First, as a manager, first we have to analyze the marketing opportunities. What are the opportunities are there? First we have to analyze the opportunities. That is the first process or first step. And after that, after the analyzing, next researching and selecting target markets. So after analyzing the marketing opportunities, first next we have to research on that market and select the target market. So if there are so many markets are there, then we have to select the target market. What is the target? What is the need and wants of the consumer? According to the need and wants of the consumer, we have to produce. Next one, third one, designing marketing strategy. So according to that target market, we have to design the strategies related to marketing. Take for example, low cost, manufacturing a product in a very low cost, or giving more services to the customer. So these are the strategies as a manager we can design. And next one, planning marketing programs. Planning marketing program is also next process. And fifth one, organizing, implementing and controlling marketing efforts. At last we have to control the market. So marketing management process is also defined as a implementing or controlling marketing efforts. So these are the steps in marketing management program. I hope this marketing management process or marketing management concept is understood for everyone. If you have any doubts, you can clarify it. Thank you.